This is a great way to use up leftover turkey. I'm sure we've all got some in our freezer left over from Thanksgiving or even Christmas. So I'm going to begin by cooking some bacon and dicing up the leftover turkey. I cook my bacon in the oven, that way a lot less mess and more even cooking. So I'm using sourdough bread. Use whatever you have on hand and butter one side of it. Put the butter side down on the pan and put 2 to 3 tablespoons of leftover cranberry sauce that you have on each slice. And then after you get as much as you want on there, go ahead and put the diced up turkey on one side and the bacon that's already been cooked on the other side. And then you're going to put the cheese. I'm using provolone. Use whatever you prefer. Put it on the turkey side, and this just helps keep the diced up turkey in place. So put that on medium-low heat because you want the leftover turkey to heat thoroughly and you want the cheese to melt. So check that, and when it looks like it's brown, if you lift up one side and it looks brown, just flip it over to form a sandwich. And then you can go ahead and put that on a board and cut it. It's ready to serve, and it's delicious. So give this recipe a try if you have some leftover turkey. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I'll see you next time.